Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm going to show you how we are going to make this beautiful crochet rabbit applique, crochet rabbit patch, how you call it. It is really beautiful, dear friends. It's a very nice idea for especially Easter time. But in normal times, you can also sew up these on baby blankets, baby dress, baby cardigans, baby hats. You can also make a rope here in the middle and you can use as a keychain. Also, you can use as a back charm. Also, you can make many and put them side by side and connect them with a rope, and you can make crochet rabbit garland for Easter time. Anything you can imagine, you can make it. The applique is very easy, dear friends. Even the beginners can easily make it. I will explain all the details. Let's go on how to make this. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and if you like this video, please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much, dears. Let's go on how to make this. For this project, we need two different colors of cotton yarn. My yarns are 60% cotton, 40% acrylic, but of course you can use full acrylic, full cotton, no problem. It is like this, dear friends, standard ordinary cotton yarn. For this project, I'm using 2.5 millimeters hook. I'm using a darning needle like this. I need a bead, very small plastic bead, and need the scissors to cut the yarn. That's all what we need. Today in this project I'm going to make the main part of the rabbit with yellow color, and I'm going to make the bow with orange color. That's all, dear friends. Let's start. We are starting by making the face of the rabbit. As the main color I'm going to use this yellow color. We are starting by making magic ring. I am taking the yarn like this, turning it, keeping this connecting place, and pull through. Now I am keeping this place, making 1, 2, 3 chains, 2 times yarn over. I am inserting my hook in the ring, yarn over, pull through, making a triple crochet. 2 by 2 I am making pull through, 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook in the ring again and making a triple crochet by making 2 by 2 pull through in 3 times, 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook in the ring and making a triple crochet, 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook in the ring and making a triple crochet. How many triple crochet we made? We are counting the first 3 chains as the first triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We made 5 triple crochet. We are going to make totally 18 triple crochet, dear friends. It's been 5, and I am going to make the 6th one. I am going to make the 7th one. Yes, dear friends, like this, it is going to be 18 double crochet considering the first 3 chains. I made totally 18 triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and this one is 18. Now, I am taking this yarn end and pulling it, pulling tightly. You see, it's been a round shape. I am inserting my hook at top of the first 3 chains. I mean here. This is the top of the 3 chains, 3rd chain I mean, and making a slip stitch. The first round is finished. Now I am turning to the project to the back side. Now I am going to make 12 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I am inserting my hook in the first place here. And yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch. Now I am going to the following stitch, I mean here, making a slip stitch. Now I am making 12 chains more for the second ear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And inserting my hook in the same place, yes, making a slip stitch. It's been like this, turning to the front side. And I'm inserting my hook in this first ear and making a single stitch. Yarn over, inserting my hook in the same space, making a half double crochet. Yarn over. Now I am going to make 10 double crochet. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This will be the half part of the ear. For this reason, I am pulling it. It should be like this. This is one side of the ear. We are going to make the same for the others. For this reason, I am making 10 double crochet more firstly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. After making 10 double crochet, I am making yarn over and making a half double crochet like this, and inserting my hook in the same space, this time making a single stitch. And I am inserting my hook here between the ears and fixing this one. It's been like this. We are shaping it with our hands. Okay, we are going to start making the other ear. The pattern is the same for the ears, dear friends. First of all, we are inserting our hook in the space and making single stitch firstly. Yarn over, inserting our hook again in the same space, this time making a half double crochet, and now making 10 double crochet. This is double crochet 1, this is double crochet 2, 3, like this. It's gonna be 10 double crochet. It's been 3, you are going to make 4, 5, 6, it will be 10. Yes, I made 10 double crochet. This will be the one side of the ear. For this reason, I am pulling it to the other side. It will be like that. This is one side. We are going to same at the other side. I mean, we are going to make 10 double crochet more. This is double crochet 1. This is double crochet 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this we are going to make 10 double crochet, dear friends. It's been 5, you are going to make 5 more. I made 10 double crochet more totally for the other side of the ear, and making yarn over, inserting my hook in the same space, making a half double crochet, and inserting my hook again in the same space, this time making a single crochet. The ears finished. I am inserting my hook in the following space here and making a slip stitch. The ears finished, dear friends. Later on we are going to shape them. Now we are going to make slip stitches all around this circle. I mean like this, one by one, making slip stitch like this. Okay, let's go on making slip stitches all around the circle, and let's come here. Let's come here. I came to the end. I am inserting my hook in the space, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch again. I am making one chain and cutting the yarn. Okay, we are finished with the rabbit face, dear friends, bunny face. We are shaping the ears with our hands like this. Okay, now I am turning back because we have to hide these yarn ends. For this yarn end in the center, I am going to use a darning needle like this. I will hide it by inserting my hook through the back stitches. I am doing it to the back side. Now I am cutting the yarn. Regarding this one, I am going to use a small size hook because this is small. If you leave this longer, of course you can use the darning needle as well. But since it is small, I am going to use a small size hook. If you don't a small size hook, you can go with the same size you crochet. Since this is easier for me, I'm using this one. I am making this to the other side in order to fix well. Making a knot, fixing like this, and cutting. Okay, the main part of the rabbit finished. Now we are going to make the bow. For the bow, I am taking the orange color in my hand. First of all, I am making 3 chains. This is slip knot. 1, 2, and 3. And inserting my hook in the first stitch and making a circle here. Be careful, keep your hand the circle like this because we will insert our hook in that space. Okay, making 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Now I am going to make 3 times double crochet. This is double crochet 1, this is double crochet 2, and this is double crochet 3. Now I am making 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, inserting my hook in the same space, making a slip stitch. One side of the bow finished. We are going to make the other side of the bow. For this reason, 1, 2, 3 chains making, inserting my hook in this space, and first of all making 3 times double crochet. 1, this is 2, this is 3, and making 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, inserting our hook in the same space. One moment, inserting our hook in the same space, making a slip stitch. The bow finished, dear friends, making 1 chain, pulling it in order to give a nice shape to the bow. Okay, making 1 more chain, and we are cutting. Okay, it is very easy. Now we are going to sew up the bead in the center of the bow. I'm taking some yellow yarn, like this. I'm taking a small size hook. Of course you can make it with the needle, no matter. Inserting my hook here in the center, pulling the yarn to the back side. Yes, like this. I am pushing the bead to the center, inserting my hook from the back side to the front. I will take the other side of the yarn to the back side, like this. Okay. Now I am going to tie it in the back side. I am tying. Once again I am doing in order to fix the bead well. Okay, now I can cut the yarn. Okay. Yes, it's been like this. We are going to sew up this like this in the side. I am making a knot in the edge. Okay, turning it to the back side. I am just going to sew up. Okay, I finished. Now I will fix this yarn. Once again. It is completely finished now. Okay, we are shaping the ears once again. Okay, dear friends, we have a beautiful bunny head applique that you can use for Easter time, or as you can use as an ornament like this. Okay, we came to the end of another project video. Hope you like this project. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials. Dear friends, if you like this video, please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos in order to support me for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. See you in the coming videos.